Welcome to the channel, Healing here. Before I get into the lesson, I want to ask if you can please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. This really helps with my YouTube videos and ranking and exposure. So now I got that out the way, let's get into the lesson. Whether you're running an online business or an offline business, whether it's affiliate marketing, self-publishing, or any other business venture you can think of, you need to understand your customer. So in this lesson, I'm going to be talking about different customer types and understanding your customer states. Every customer is either one or can transition into multiple of these types of buying states throughout the year. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss the 6 different types of customer states you need to familiarize yourself with. Understanding this can help impact your business in a profound way. So let's get into the first customer state. The need buyer or need customer. This is actually my favorite type of customer and preferred type as well. These customers are straight to the point and are seeking solutions to their problems. For example, a customer who wants to lose weight will look for exercise equipment, accessories, vitamins, and other supplements, and even a gym membership. Why I favor these types of customers is because they usually are willing to put down their money for a product or service that can help them resolve their problem. These types of buyers possess buyer intent. Basically, they're in the marketplace looking for a viable solution to their problem. Impulse buyer. These types of customers have erratic buying behaviors. They have tendencies to buy on a whim. We can see this reality especially in the online space. A prime example would be Amazon customers who on a whim go on a one-click buying spree and rack up expenses more than they anticipated. Part of this phenomenon is the fact that Amazon makes it easy and accessible for their customers to simply buy with a click of a button. Seasonal buyer. We see these types of customers at the hardware store, clothing store, grocery store, and almost anywhere else you can think of. These types of customers like to buy within season, meaning there are certain parts of the year or periods of the year they have this type of recurrent buying cycle or cyclical buying nature. This also encompasses the major holiday seasons as well. There are many pop-up shops that I know of in my city that only operate in the last 4 months of the year, so Q4. They bank on the major holiday seasons and are able to make an entire year's profit by riding the seasonal trend. So most of their consumers are seasonal buyers. So we're talking money like $50,000, $60,000, or even $100,000 in those short 4 months. And some shops can even do this in 1 month, right? So that's something to keep in mind when you have seasonal buyers within your target demographic. The bargain hunter. This is the type of customer you need to watch out for. They are always looking for deals. They won't settle for anything less and won't make a purchase unless you make them feel like they got a good deal. The trick to deal with these types of customers is to make them feel like they got an exclusive deal. Their satisfaction is not dependent on the amount of discount they got, but the fact they got a discount on a non-discounted deal, right? The window shopper. These are the types of customers you see browsing through the store, whether it's online or offline. They usually don't have an intention to buy right away, but perhaps a few weeks or months down the road, they may come back and make that purchase. Last but not least, raving fans or the raving fan customer. I also call them repeat buyers. This is another type of customer you want to have in your target demographics. These types of customers have become well acquainted with your product or service and are beyond satisfied, are willing to pay top dollar for new items you put out. These types of customers have a higher lifetime value compared to the other customers on my list mentioned in this video. To attract these types of customers, you have to have earned their trust and must create brand loyalty. Having these types of customers can increase your profit margins exponentially. Imagine Starbucks or Tim Hortons. The bulk of their money is coming from repeat buyers. Those types of fast food chain businesses cannot survive without their loyal customer base. So that's the power of a repeat buyer or a raving fan customer. I hope you found this video insightful. If you have, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.